Okay students, we were dealing with the Hardy-Sous rule. I told you we will discuss this by addition of excess of electrolyte under the Hardy-Sous rule. This rule is given for the extent of coagulation. Coagulation word you know, coagulation we had discussed, that precipitation or flocculation. Okay, इसको बहुत सारे terms से बोल सकते हैं, precipitation और flocculation. In this, the scattered colloid particles, now their charges will be destroyed and the coagulate will be converted into precipitate. Coagulate को अब क्या कर दिया जाएगा, precipitate कर दिया जाएगा. Obviously, how the coagulation can be done? By destroying their charges. If the particles will be charged, obviously they will be scattered. Similarly charged होने चाहिए, they will be scattered, and if this charges will be destroyed, then of course their stability will be destroyed and they can be settled down and coagulated. Understood? You have seen coagulation of blood का coagulation देखा है आपने, ठीक है. उसी तरीके से कोलॉइड्स का कोगुलेशन, जब ये क्या हो जाते हैं, इनके चार्जेस डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, तभी कोगुलेशन पॉसिबल होगा. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एक्सटेंट ऑफ कोगुलेशन. एक्सटेंट ऑफ कोगुलेशन मीन्स हाउ the coagulation will be done and which will be more effectively coagulated. Okay, so by Hardy-Sous rule we will be seeing this. Okay, for example, this is a positive colloid. Okay, the means in this all the charges are positive, charges are scattered. Okay, positive charge scattered है. So to coagulate this, I know a negative soul is required, ठीक है, और इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. मैं कोई भी मेथड से करूँ. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम एडिंग एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आई एम एडिंग लाइक NaCl आई एम एडिंग. ओके, इफ आई एम एडिंग NaCl, you know that this Cl minus will be responsible for coagulation of this positive ions. So Cl minus will coagulate. If I will give you 4 options and I will ask you among these four which will be more effectively coagulate this. Okay, how effective will be the coagulation if I will be giving this 4? Can you make a increasing order series? So no need to think, you have to just see that if this is having positive charge, of course Cl minus will be effective in coagulation, but if you have SO4 2 minus, they will be more effectively coagulant. ओके, क्योंकि ये दो चार्जेस को एक साथ कोगुलेट करेगा. हियर PO4 3 माइनस विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव बिकॉज इट कैन कोगुलेट 3 पॉजिटिव चार्जेस एट अ टाइम, and it can if we'll talk about this, it can coagulate 4 positive charges simultaneously. Understood? So we can see that in which more valencies, means more negative ions will be there, that will be more effective coagulant. Okay, more effective for this positive soul because the charges are more and more charges can be coagulated at a time. Understood? For example, we can summarize this point as the ions carrying charge opposite to that on soul particles are effective in causing the coagulation of soul. It means the charges which are opposite, means we had to take oppositely charged ions which can coagulate the soul. Understood? For example, if the soul is positive, then we will be taking any negative charge soul, okay, which can easily coagulate that. तो जो आयन उसके अपोजिटली चार्ज का होगा, सोल के अपोजिटली चार्ज का, वो इफेक्टिव होगा उस कोगुलेशन के सोल के कोगुलेशन के लिए. अंडरस्टूड? So that should be obviously that should be always oppositely charged. Okay, now the coagulating power of an electrolyte is directly proportional to valencies of active ion. जो कोगुलेटिंग पावर होगा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का, वो किसके प्रोपोर्शनल होगा? इट विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वैलेंसीज ऑफ एक्टिव आयन, मीन्स उसके वैलेंसीज पर डिपेंड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल Al3 प्लस इज मच मोर इफेक्टिव देन Mg2 प्लस देन Na प्लस. किसके लिए? ये किसी नेगेटिव सोल के लिए अगर हम ले तो विच विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव? दिस 3 प्लस विल बी मोर इफेक्टिव एज इट्स वैलेंसी इज directly proportional, okay, proportional to the valency of the active ion. The power of the इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वैलेंसीज ऑफ एक्टिव आयन, ठीक है। तो कोगुलेटिंग पावर किस पे डिपेंड करेगा, उसके वैलेंसीज पे। जितनी ज़्यादा वैलेंसीज होगी उतने ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज या नेगेटिव चार्ज उस सोल को प्रेसिपिटेट कर पाएंगे, अंडरस्टूड, ओके। सो दिस इज हार्डी-सूज रूल, ओके। For example, to coagulate a positive sol such as FeOH whole thrice, we had seen that Fe3 plus charge were adsorbed, okay, that is a method of making a stable colloid. So if we want to coagulate it, what will happen?